Are you tired of the saturated make money online space? Every guru promises the world, but few deliver. Well, today, everything changes. Forget dropshipping, forget complicated coding, because I'm about to show you one shocking new AI tool that is completely free to use and has the potential to pay you $500 every single day by doing almost zero work. We're not talking about slow growth. We're talking about exploiting a brand new loophole in the digital market before it gets flooded. I'll show you my proof. I'll show you the 3 simple steps. And best of all, the entire process takes less than 30 minutes to set up. Welcome back to Hypogenics. If this is your first time here, subscribe and hit the bell for your daily dose of viral AI hacks. Let's dive right into the tool. It's called Jasper AI, and it's disrupting the old freelance model. But simply signing up won't make you money. You need the hidden method, and that's what we cover in the next 3 steps. Our first step is the setup. Head over to Jasper AI and sign up for their free tier. Yes, the free tier is enough to generate over $500 a day if you know the secret. The key here is not what you use the AI for, but who you sell the service to. This AI is designed to create automated content, but we need to pick a niche where the demand is high and the competition is low. Most people try to create simple social media captions. That's a mistake. We are going to specialize in automated LinkedIn professional summaries. Businesses are constantly hiring and promoting, and they desperately need professional, keyword-optimized summaries for their employees' LinkedIn profiles. This is a high-value, low-competition niche. Now, let's set up the AI. Go to the dashboard and ensure you select the Professional Writing module. We are going to train the AI with a simple command. You are an expert LinkedIn copywriter. Your goal is to write a compelling 300-word professional summary that is optimized for recruiters and focuses on leadership and data analysis keywords. Save this command as a template. This is the foundation of our automated income stream. Now, for the fulfillment. This is where we automate the work, so you don't have to touch it. We are going to use a simple external tool. You can use Zapier's free tier or simply Google Forms to manage the client orders. When a client purchases your service, for example, $50 for one professional summary, they will fill out a simple questionnaire asking for 3 things: their current job title, their biggest accomplishment, and their industry keywords. Once you receive that information, all you have to do is copy-paste the client's data into your saved template on Jasper AI and hit Generate. The AI does the heavy lifting. It takes the raw data and, combined with the expert role we set up in step 1, it spits out a perfectly polished, recruiter-optimized summary in seconds. You review the summary for quality assurance, making sure the client's name is correct, and then you send it back. Think about that. You just made $50 in about 3 minutes of actual work time. This is the power of AI tools for online monetization. The final step is scaling. If you can make $50 in 3 minutes, you can easily handle 10 clients a day, bringing you to $500. But how do you find these clients without spending money on ads? We use 2 free traffic sources, LinkedIn itself and Fiverr/Upwork. On LinkedIn, search for companies that are rapidly growing or hiring new managers. Send a simple, personalized connection request. Hi, I saw your company is growing fast. I help streamline onboarding by providing C-level staff with optimized LinkedIn summaries in under 24 hours. On Fiverr, you list your service with a strong title. I will write your professional, recruiter-optimized LinkedIn summary using advanced AI tools. The keyword AI here is the viral content key. It attracts early adopters who are looking for faster, better results. Start your price low, perhaps $30, and raise it once you have 10 positive reviews. The key is volume and speed, and your AI assistant gives you both. So there you have it, a free AI tool, a low-competition niche, professional LinkedIn summaries, and a simple fulfillment workflow that takes minutes per order. Stop trading hours for dollars. It's time to let AI trade seconds for profits. This method is currently a massive loophole for online monetization, but it won't last forever. You need to take action today. Call to action. Now that you have the full strategy, the only thing left is to apply it. If you found this AI cheat code helpful, please subscribe to Hypegenics and hit the bell. We post daily viral AI hacks just like this one. In our next video, we're going to dive even deeper and show you the triple threat AI stacking strategy that can automate the entire sales process from lead generation to service delivery. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep generating.